Hello everyone, is your car struggling to engage reverse gear? Noticing jerks, slipping or hesitation when shifting into reverse? If your OBD-II scanner has shown the P0736 error code, reverse incorrect gear ratio, it means your transmission isn't engaging properly in reverse. In this video I'll explain what P0736 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0736 trouble code appears when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an incorrect gear ratio when shifting into reverse. Ignoring this issue can lead to complete transmission failure, poor vehicle performance, and expensive repairs. Common symptoms of P0736: hard or delayed shifting into reverse transmission, slipping when reversing, jerking or hesitation when shifting into reverse. Check engine light, on limp mode activation, stuck in one gear. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key components responsible for the issue. To diagnose P0736, check these critical components. Transmission input speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft or bell housing. Function, measures input shaft speed to help the PCM determine shift timing. Transmission output speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location, near the transmission output shaft, typically at the end of the transmission housing. Function, tracks vehicle speed and helps the PCM calculate gear ratios. Reverse gear shift, solenoid, SSR, location, inside the transmission mounted on the valve body. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for engaging reverse gear. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually under the hood near the battery or firewall. Function, receives data from sensors and controls shifting. Transmission fluid and valve body location, inside the transmission pan under the vehicle. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Wiring and connectors location, between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor, shift solenoids and PCM. Function, transmits crucial data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0736. Faulty transmission input speed sensor, incorrect input speed disrupts shifting. Defective transmission output speed sensor, PCM miscalculates gear ratios. Malfunctioning reverse gear shift solenoid, prevents smooth gear engagement. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty fluid affects gear shifts. Worn or damaged transmission components, issues with clutch packs, bands, or torque converter. PCM or TCM malfunction, incorrect gear ratio calculations due to faulty software or hardware. Broken or corroded wiring, disrupted communication between sensors and control modules. How to fix P0736. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5. Check the reverse gear shift solenoid. If it's bad, replace it. Step 6. Inspect the valve body and transmission internals. If clutch packs or bands are worn, a rebuild may be needed. Step 7. Reprogram or replace PCM, TCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Ignoring P0736 can lead to serious transmission damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0728, Transmission Input Speed Sensor Circuit Intermittent. P0729, Gear 6 Incorrect Ratio. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.